So for this What Happens Wednesday, we're going to look at the state or Stokes equation, which is the x tilde dot, which is your state vector, equals your a tilde, your system, x tilde plus b tilde, which is your input control matrix, and then your u tilde, which is your input vector, or I guess force. So for this one, we then see our x tilde equals x1, x2, x3. For the states, n is the order of the ODE. So if you have ax dot plus bx equals cu, your x tilde equals x1 equals x. Similar for the second equation, your x tilde then becomes x1 over x2. And then as we look at our GEM example, it will eventually turn into this, where it's negative c over m, x tilde, 1 over m, u tilde, which then simplifies down to this. Thank you.